Hello, today I present you my software named Open Arcana. This is a virtual dungeon master guided by AI. Um, this is open source and free, and I show you how it works. You can have a multiplayer or solo game session. Here I show you the solo mode. But first, this is guided by AI, and you can here select your provider. Here I use DeepSeek, and you must add API key, but you can choose OpenAI, Kimi, Claude, or Grok to connect the software to a provider. Okay, here some other settings. I take a DeepSeek. You can change the temperature, and now you can switch in French and English, and I'll show you in this mode. Okay, I create a character here, Chris, gnome, and a cleric. These characteristics are pre-made character in the code. Okay, you can here add a world context to your adventure, and I add, for the example, the DEL1, the first module of Dragonlance. I'll show you. This is a PDF, and you can add other format like text, CSV, and other documents. Okay. Okay. Here this is the first module of Dragonlance. When I start the game, the software take the text from the Dragonlance module and send it to the AI provider to begin the adventure. And in the background there is a lot of prompt and settings to act like a dungeon master. The world context can the AI with the world context can create adventure. I'll show you. It takes the module and follows the story of the module. This is the beginning of the Dragonlance module. Here you see the autumn sun sings loud over the Valenwood trees, painting the road east of Solace and Golden Member. You, Chris, a gnome cleric or Kayet Fref, walk alone along the bucket turf. Okay, here you can make action, or you can take a decision and put your own action here, like grab une pierre, comment on dit, a rock on the ground. For the example, it sends the action to the provider, and there is an answer. You bend down and snatch a smooth fist-sized stone from the roadside. It feels cool and solid. Ordinary, a good weight for throwing or skipping across a stream. Okay, here in the inventory you will see the small rock is added. We go to Solace and we go to the inn of the last home, and in the inn there is a storyteller and Goldmoon and Riverwind, two characters of the module. Okay. Okay, enter the inn. You push over, open the worn carved door of the inn and a wave of warm light and loiter rushes over you. The interior is a nested wooden platform, ladders, and cozy nooks woven around the massive trunks of Valenwood trees. Blah 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 blah. Near the fireplace, an old storyteller spins a tale to a hushed circle of locals. At a shadowed table, a man with a fur cloak and a woman in leather armor sit close in quiet conversation. Blah blah blah. Okay, talk to the couple and ask their names. Okay, there is some latency, some lag. You step toward the quiet table and the woman in leather armor look up first. I am Riverine of the Keshu tribe. This is Goldmoon. We mean no harm, just resting from a long journey. He studies you politely, no offering more. Goldmoon offers a small smile, but her hand rests near a bundle at her side, as if guarding something. Okay, you can save your game, and there is a small maps, but I work on the map is not definitive. Okay, I have saved. I can quit the game, and I go back. A thing, this software is free and open source. Okay, you can continue your game, and you go in the current action. Okay, and you can continue your adventure as you want. You are not forced to follow the scenario. The provider, the AI, create other events if you go in another direction. Okay, I quit. Now you can play in multi-player for a game with friends. Game Master, yes me. Player 1 Aragorn. Player 2 Sudokai. And player you can add other player. Player 3 Gandalf. Okay, you can select or unselect your module, and I start. It sends all the context of the module and your character to the AI. Okay, we are waiting. It's longer with more characters. Okay, here's the beginning of the adventure. Okay, you stand on the old roads east of Solace, blah blah blah. It's the same beginning, but the paragraph is different. Here you can select your character, and they can make action, or you can make a specific action. You can ask to your player, what do you do, Aragorn, for this round? And you can say, go to the forest. Go to the forest. Sudokai can go to Solace. and Gandalf stay on the road. Submit. It's a bit longer. It depends of the provider. I have the configuration is for DeepSeek, but I haven't tested the other providers like OpenAI or Cloud Anthropic. Okay, Aragorn sleep from the road into the dense forest. The Valenwood trunks rise like pillars into the darkening canopy, and the ground is soft with layers of fallen leaves. After a few dozen paces, he finds a narrow game trail heading east, half hidden by fern, blah 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 blah. Sudokai turn west along the road toward Tall Solas. In the deepening dusk, the lanterns are beginning to glow around the great trees and the familiar rooftop platforms cradle warmly lit buildings. Okay, and Gandalf remains on the road watching both companions disappear in their separate twilights. You can see you can separate the action, and player can continue on their own path or all go in Solas. Go to Solas. Go to Solas. Go to Solas. And you can, in this software, put your own module to play with your friends. The actions and the paragraph are automatically created. Okay, and you see the character is one for the three. They all, the three of you converge at the edge of Solas at night settles over the valley, the great Valenwood trees. If you encounter a PNG, you can invite a PNG in your adventure, and he follows you in the adventure. Okay. Okay, that's all. This software is free to download, and I give you the links. Say me what you think, and if you find bugs, say me in the comments. Thank you for watching.